far, I'm still the only person that ever showed these being used, metric or standard. I ain't just get them just to make a YouTube video and then, you know, kind of just put them back on the shelf. I know they're expensive, but if there's a real job, it's not just a little quick demonstration or nothing. That is the outer water pump bolt that goes here, but of course you got to take the timing chain cover off and the lower timing chain off to do this job anyway. But it's a real job.